You'll need to install the Lego Mindstorms software in order to start programming your robot. In the description, I'll include the link where you can download the software. On the website, you'll need to scroll down, select your operating system, and click Download. It'll ask you where to download your file. And download the file. It may take a few minutes to download, depending on your bandwidth. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and set up the folder or install it. If you're using Google Chrome, I recommend clicking on this down arrow, showing in the folder, and then double clicking it. It may take a second or a few moments. Allow the Mindstorms software to install. Follow any on-screen prompts that may pop up. In a few moments, you'll be asked to decide the destination directory. If this looks good to you, click Next. We're going to select the Student Edition, accept the license agreements, and let the software continue downloading and installing itself. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Minimize your windows, and the Mindstorms software should be on your desktop. Open up the Mindstorms software by double-clicking on the icon. Give it a few moments to open and begin running. Allow access if your Windows firewall blocks some features. And now you have successfully installed the Lego Mindstorms software.